Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I have got an awesome and a pretty large-ish grocery haul to share with you. I did Walmart grocery pickup and then I also went to Hy-Vee to get some things that I couldn't get. I am working on a ton of cooking videos for you guys. Breakfast slow cooker, chicken slow cooker, 10-minute lunches, tons of great content coming up. So I had to stock up on some ingredients for those. And I also just needed some regular groceries for our family as well. One thing that I don't buy at the grocery store anymore is dog food. I get it delivered and I get Solid Gold pet food for my dog Murphy, and thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. If you're not familiar with Solid Gold, they were actually the first holistic pet food company in America. They were founded in 1974, and the awesome thing about them also is that they are a female founded company as well. So for over 45 years, Solid Gold has revolutionized the holistic pet food category, and they have a recipe for any dog or cat's dietary needs. They have healthy whole grain foods and grain-free options. They have wet food, supplements, and bone broth as well. So I told you guys in a past video that I was getting auto deliveries from Amazon, but I didn't really find that to be that user-friendly, and so I actually switched over to Chewy.com, and they offer Solid Gold pet products as well, and their service is phenomenal. You can set it up on auto delivery, and Solid Gold pet products are stocked up at Chewy.com. The products that we've been using for Murphy lately are the Fit and Fabulous weight control dog food based on what his veterinarian said that he needs to lose about 5 pounds, and then we also supplement that with the bone broth stew. And so both of these things I have set up on auto delivery from Chewy, so I don't even have to think about it when I go to the grocery store. You can just order however much your dog needs at the frequency that you want, and it gets auto delivered. Solid Gold pet products are also sold at other pet food stores and on Amazon.com. If you guys want to check out some of the products they have, you can go to solidgoldpet.com/Jen to save 30% on select Solid Gold products. I'll also link some of the specific things that we use for Murphy on some of the other sites if you're interested in those as well. But I do get lots of questions from you guys about these foods, and yes, Murphy has enjoyed them. They are high quality and they are actually pretty affordable in my opinion for high quality pet food. So check out the links below, solidgoldpet.com/Jen. Now we are going to jump into the grocery haul. Okay, so here is everything that I got this week, mostly from Walmart, but then I also had to go to Hy-Vee to grab a few things too that Walmart didn't have. I am going to be filming a couple different cooking videos this week, so that's why I have kind of a lot more than I normally have, but we'll start with the produce. So I did get some grapes. I was actually putting away some grapes yesterday and dropped a whole container of washed grapes on the floor, which was not very fun, so I replaced those. I actually ordered green grapes, but they didn't have them, so they gave us red, which is fine. And then I also ordered some butter lettuce, but they were out of that as well, so I substituted with some iceberg. And I normally just go ahead and accept all the substitutions because normally it's pretty close to what I wanted, and even if it's not, it's something that we can use anyway. We're all out of apples, and I had a couple recipes that called for apples, so I got 1 bag of the Granny Smith apples. And then I did get some spring baby lettuces from Hy-Vee. This is the Josie's Organic, so there's a couple different dishes that I'm going to use those in. And then I had a couple different recipes called for ginger, so I got some of that. I got some spinach for a crockpot recipe, and then another crockpot recipe called for fresh oregano, and Hy-Vee is the only place I can get that here, so I had to go there to get that. I got some cherry tomatoes. I was running low on onions. I always keep onions in the pantry, but I think I only have a couple left in there, so I got 2 yellow onions. I did order flat leaf parsley from Walmart, but a lot of times they don't have it, so they gave me curly leaf, which is fine. I'll use that in the recipe. It'll work just fine. And then I also got some cilantro. I did get 3 grapefruits that I need for a video, so this might be a little bit too much, but I'm going to be juicing them, and I wasn't quite sure how much juice I could get out of them, so I got 3. I did also get some mint. Walmart did actually have this. I needed this for a recipe, and then I actually ordered oregano from Walmart, and they substituted it with cilantro, which I don't really think is the same thing, but I just accepted the substitution because obviously I'll use this. I have not bought turnips in a long time, if ever, but I do have a recipe that calls for those, so I just got this bag of 2 of them. And then I cannot remember what I said on the tomatoes. I feel like I said I wanted 4, but then they gave me 3 bags. So we have quite a few tomatoes. I think there's 5 tomatoes in these 2 and 4 in these, which is fine. I was gonna make BLTs this week, but one thing I might do is if they're gonna get ready to go bad, I might roast them in the oven and then make like a roasted tomato soup. I'm not sure yet, but I'll find some way to use them. And then I also needed oranges, so I just went ahead and got 4 of the regular navel oranges. Green beans, I got a bag of these. I actually ordered the organic ones and they substituted for this huge bag of fresh green beans, so it's fine, we'll use those. And then I got 1 seedless cucumber. I decided to go ahead and get just a tray of fruit this week because I needed some pineapple, and these are very convenient. So this has melon, grapes, mango, apples, and pineapple in it. And then I did get some angel hair coleslaw. I smoked a brisket, and so we will have that with that. So I ended up on coffee TikTok last night, and I was watching this guy make all of these drinks with his Nespresso, and he said that Simply Almond is the best almond milk to froth with. He said it froths really well, so I decided to pick some up. I have obviously purchased almond milk many times before, but I've never purchased the Simply Almond brand, so I thought I'd try that. I got some Organic Valley whole milk. This was on Ibotta. Another thing too is that you can use Ibotta with grocery pickup. It's really convenient to use it like in your Chrome browser because you can see exactly what things you're gonna get rebates on, so I would recommend that. And then I also needed some more cold brew coffee, so I got some of the Starbucks blonde roast. I got some buttermilk for the coleslaw recipe. This will be too much, but I'll probably end up making pancakes with the rest of it. And then I also needed some whole milk yogurt for a couple different recipes, so I got the Cabot whole milk Greek yogurt. I got some sugar-free whipped cream. This is pretty good if you've never had it in the can before. Sometimes I just like to have that on hand for like Sundays, or it's actually really good on the sugar-free Jello pudding also. I got 2 of these Light and Fit Greek crunch yogurts for the kids, 1 s'mores and 1 Oreo. I got some cheese cubes. These are the kind that Kira really likes, the Cracker Barrel sharp cheddar. And then she also likes to take this in her lunchbox. It's the chocolate vanilla swirls Jello pudding. It's sugar-free, it's really good. And then I also got some creme fraiche from Hy-Vee. I needed this for a recipe. It's the only place I can get it around here. And oh yeah, this was like $6.49. So I really don't purchase that very often, if at all. Kira's with me at Hy-Vee, and she picked out some of these little snack things for her lunch. This one is turkey and cheddar, and it comes with chocolate covered pretzels. And then this one is cheese with crackers and pepperoni. I needed some Gruyere cheese for a mac and cheese recipe, so I got 2 of these. It was very expensive, but that's what the recipe called for, and I wanted to make it as written. I got some hot dogs just to have in the fridge for a quick dinner or lunch if we needed them. And then I also needed some like high quality butter. So my Walmart does have Kerrygold, so I just went ahead and got a pound of that. It's very expensive. I usually don't buy this type of butter. A lot of times I don't see that it makes a huge difference, but anyway, in the spirit of using it for the recipe as written, I went ahead and got that. My Hy-Vee had this Borzen cheese for $1 each. It's parsley and lemon, and I thought this would be good to do with like the TikTok feta pasta. You can actually use this type of cheese in it as well. So I don't know, this must have been like a last chance sale or something, but they don't expire for a while, so I got these for $1 each. We have some bagels in the freezer, so I got 1 container of the garden vegetable cream cheese and 1 container of honey pecan cream cheese. And then just for bread this week for sandwiches, I got some wheat bread. And then I also needed some white bread for breadcrumbs for a recipe. And I normally don't buy white bread all that often, but I went ahead and got the Sara Lee Artisano because I know it's high quality and it will make good breadcrumbs. And then for the brisket, I did get some Hawaiian sub rolls. I probably won't use all of them for that, but if we have extra, I can use them for sandwiches for the kids for school. I got some Dijon mustard because we were all out of that. I also had a recipe that called for molasses, and I believe we're out, so I got this from Walmart. And then we were also out of like sandwich hamburger pickles, so I got some of those. I got this Celentani Barilla pasta for a recipe that I needed. I could either use regular macaroni or this, and I actually prefer this in mac and cheese, so I went ahead and grabbed that. I thought I would try this Orville Renbocker Smart Pop popcorn. This is actually like only 15 calories per cup once it's popped. So let me know if you've tried that. I normally get the kind with real butter, but this is probably a little bit better for you. I've been getting this applesauce for the kids for their lunches. It's actually a pretty good deal. I think it's less than $5 a box for 12 pouches of this unsweetened applesauce. It doesn't have any sugar added. So when I don't have any from Thrive Market, I usually get this instead. And then I needed some framboise for a recipe, but my Hy-Vee did not have that, but they had Chambord, which is a black raspberry liqueur, which the recipe called for raspberry liqueur, so it's fine, it'll work. And then I got some breakfast bowls. This one is sausage and gravy, and then this one is bacon with eggs and potatoes. I also got one of these smart ones. Sometimes I like to have these on hand just for a quick lunch during the week. This one is the chicken enchilada Suiza. I think it's good. I know everyone doesn't like them, but I like it. I also got some of these snack packs from Hy-Vee. These are like a newer item. They come with like sausage bites and cheese, and they're like really convenient to throw in lunch boxes and for after school snacks. So I got another box of these, and then I got some hot dog buns. I normally like to get the wheat hot dog buns, but they were out of them, so I got the ballpark ones, which is fine. I decided to try some of these Skinny Cow vanilla ice cream sandwiches. I feel like I've bought these before, but I can't remember. It's been a while. My Walmart had these. I guess they only have 11 grams of added sugar. I don't know this like calorie wise if it's actually less than a regular ice cream bar, but I thought I would try those. And then I got some peas for a recipe, some frozen peas. And then I also got some sparkling ice for Adam. This is like the zero sugar flavored carbonated water. This one has black raspberry, orange mango, cherry limeade, and kiwi strawberry. So that is everything that I got from the store this week. All right, guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for coming with me on this grocery haul. You guys will have to let me know in the comments below. Do you like grocery hauls as like a separate standalone video, or do you like them integrated into my weekend prep videos? I can probably do either. I've been integrating them lately because I found myself doing, rather than like one big stock up every week, I found myself doing like smaller hauls throughout the week. So I don't know, I need to get back on a better routine for myself, but let me know your preference. And don't forget, I'll have all of the Solid Gold pet products linked in the description box below, so make sure you check those out for your dog or cat. But thank you so much for your support and for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.